Just got sent the DeskCycle and I'm so excited to use it. It's a heavy piece right here. Got to put it together though. And it did come with a little wrench, and anytime something comes with that, I get a little intimidated. But if I can put this together, I know you can too. So let's put it together and then we will test it out. All right, that took me 8.5 minutes, and there's one step left. That's just to plug this in right here, right there, and then there's a little spot right there where it slides on. And now I'm ready to take it over to my desk and test it out. Let's go. All right, I am pedaling away. So what's cool is it's silent. So you could do this while you're on a Zoom call with someone, or if you're working from your desk, obviously when you're typing, but if you're on the phone, they're not gonna hear that you're working out. Maybe if you're a little out of breath, but that's about it. Now I also have the display up here now, so you can put it on your desk. You don't have to like look down to see where you're at with your calories and RPMs. It has a nice little stand and this really long plug as well. So that's cool. Plus you get this Velcro, and at first I was like, what is that for? But actually this is really interesting. This will tether your chair to the DeskCycle. And that's important if you have a floor that's slippery. So let's say you're on tile, anything that's really not carpeted. You might be slipping around with your chair, especially if your chair's on wheels. So you tether the machine to your chair and then you are good to go. So a nice little safety measure there as well. So yeah, it's a great workout. It's a good way to just get some energy out if you're sitting at your desk all day, and I think you're gonna love it.